is going on, YouTube? So right now, Jimmy let me borrow his car. First things first, guys, I want to really thank Jimmy for letting me use his car. Both my cars were at his shop, and he was like, I have an extra car that you could use. Use that. It was the TDI. Super sick, got like 50 miles a gallon. But anyway, we're headed to Jimmy's right now. I'm picking up the V. It's been done for like a couple days, but like I was saying, Jimmy was like, might as well enjoy the MPGs while you can. So we're gonna go over there, pick the car up, check out the E30, and let's go. Let me tell you, I freaking hate traffic, but we're gonna get there. I'm not gonna record much because I'm in this traffic, so I'm gonna just get back to him at Jimmy's.
It's on the beat, boy.
What the hell? All right, guys, we got the V back. We're currently down in Mexico. About to go watch this race versus another V. Yeah, we're gonna see. I think it's I don't know, world's famous V. Gang, gang. Let's go, baby.
Right back, right back.
Let's go, AT, baby, let's go. Another one.
30 killer. Gang. But I hope you enjoyed the quick little race video. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Leave a comment. I'm gonna start doing like little shout outs and stuff on my Instagram. So if you want to message us on Instagram, a picture of your car or something, do that, and then I will give you like a little shout out on this channel. So comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.